What are WhatsApp flows? WhatsApp flows are basically forms that are inbuilt inside WhatsApp that help you collect data from your customers in one go. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp flow and send that WhatsApp flow to your customers. But before I do that, like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest trends and tips about WhatsApp and Instagram automation. WhatsApp flows have endless use cases. They can be used for booking appointments or reservations, choosing a product or service, signing up for events or promos, giving business feedback or answering surveys, amongst many others. In this video, I'm going to create a very simple survey form using WhatsApp flows. Let's get started. So first step is to log in to business.facebook.com/settings. Here you'll see your businesses. Select the business where you want to create the WhatsApp flow. Enter the OTP to log in. Once you've logged in, from the middle panel on the left side, navigate to WhatsApp accounts. And then choose the WhatsApp account that you want to create the WhatsApp flow on. Scroll down and select WhatsApp Manager. You'll be redirected to a new page. On the left side under Account Tools, select Flows. Then go over on the right side to Create Flow. Here you'll enter a name for your flow that you can refer to later. Here I'll enter feedback on my services. Choose a category. In this case I'm creating a survey, so I'll choose survey. There are default templates over here that you can use. But today I'm going to create a custom template from WhatsApp's Playground, which you can easily Google WhatsApp Playground and you'll be able to access a drag and drop flow builder, which is very easy to use. There are a lot of options over here to create headers, paragraphs, drop down choices, multi-choice questions, single choice questions. You can add images and stuff. So it's a very easy to use drag and drop builder, flow builder. So let's start. I'll create my survey over here. Tell us how we're doing. Let's say I want to collect feedback from my customers about my services. You want to know what you think about Interakt's services. And then I'll change the options here. Now I want the customers to give me a rating out of 5 stars, right? So I'll put 5 stars and then 4 stars. And then create some more fields over here for 3, 2, 1. Actually, I'd rather use the stars emoji instead of writing 5 stars. I think it's more presentable. So 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, and then 1 star. Okay. And now I want to give the customers the option to also write something in case they want to give some feedback. Personally, they can also write out a custom message over here to me. And then I'm going to edit the button to go to the next page because I want to create a 2-page form. In the second page, I want to ask for if you have any feature requests or if you'd like any new features. So here I'm going to put need some more, for example, and then choose a paragraph, enter your answer. And then yeah, this looks good. So now I'm going to test it. There's an interactive mode here that I can test out my flow in real time to see how a customer would ideally go through this experience. Amazing. One last step. What new features do you want us to add and interact? All good. Thanks. And continue. Okay, so my flow is working. Everything is perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Copy Flow JSON button that copies the JSON code for this flow, and I'm going to go back into my create flow on Meta, and I'm going to choose default and click on create. Now over here you'll see a default code that's already in the editor, just do a Control A or Command A if you're using a Mac and click on backspace, and then paste your copied JSON over here and click on run, and you'll see that the entire flow that you made on the playground has now come over here. And now just keep in mind these previews, these are the two pages of yours. What the first page is known as recommend, and the second page is, it has another code over there. You need to note down these both of these text exactly the way they are, because you'll need to use this while creating the template on Interakt. So note them down. You can copy them from that drop down box. And then you can click on save on your flow, and then you click on publish and click on publish again. Now I'm going to create my template on Interakt, but I have the option of also creating it on Meta itself. But in this case, in this video, I'm creating my template on Interakt. So I'm just going to click on done. And now I'm going to go back to the flows section. On the left side, I'm going to click on flows. And now you can see my flow has been published, and there is a flow ID that's been given. I'm going to copy that flow ID and save that as well in a notepad over here, because I'm going to need that while building my template on Interakt. Now go over to your Interakt account, click on templates. In the template section, create a new template. Give your Interakt template a name again. Let's say survey flow, and choose the category as marketing. Choose the button type as WhatsApp flow. Choose your language, English in this case. Over here, I'm going to enter a body for my template. Let's just say, please give us feedback about our services. And I want to enter an image to make it slightly more attractive. Just choose an image that I have here. We want your feedback. Okay, great. Now here is where you'll enter that text. So first there's the button text that I want the customer to click on. I'm going to say give feedback. Now flow ID is what we just copied, the flow ID from the flow creator. I'm going to paste the flow ID here, and navigate is basically, I made two pages in my flow, so I want the user to start on the first page, which was called recommend. So I'm going to put recommend as the first navigation point, and that creates my template basically. That's it. You click on submit and your template is created. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes 24 hours to approve a template, but in most cases it happens instantly within 2 minutes. So my template has been approved here, as you can see. Now I'm going to go into the notification section and create a campaign here to send this template to my customers. So I'm going to give a campaign name, feedback survey. Choose a one-time campaign. These are my user list. I'm going to choose a sample set of users here. 3 users, great. Create a message, choose a template. This is the template that I just selected right now, that I just created right now with the flow. I chose that template. Go into send immediately, set message live, and I click on set live. That's it. My campaign has been triggered to these 3 customers. And now let's see what happens on WhatsApp to those customers. This is a customer received the feedback form. They filled it over here on WhatsApp itself. And okay, you can see what new features do you want us to add. All good, I'm very happy. Great. So this customer submitted the feedback on the form on the WhatsApp flow. And now you can also come back into your campaign that you sent, and you can track how many people have completed the flow, and you can also download the report to see what have they written in the survey form, and the options that they chose. Everything that they responded in that survey form will be available in the downloaded report. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can create your WhatsApp flows and impress your customers and do great business with the help of Interakt. Looking forward to speaking to you soon.